Okay, so just like with the exponents, you won't always have a log on both sides that you can then equate. You may need to, you may be asked to solve a problem in which there's only one log. Okay, if that's going to be done by hand, and again, if you don't have the updated operating system, if you're relying on the calculator that's on the computer, then you'll have to know how to do this by hand. It's not all that difficult, okay, but you would need to do it in this form. All right, step one, what you're going to do is you're going to isolate the log expression. And you can do that one of two ways. You can either take any coefficients and move them inside the function, okay, which I would not recommend, or in this particular case, you can just undo the operation. So you're multiplying this log by 4, so I'm going to undo multiplication just by dividing. So dividing gets rid of the 4, leaves me with log base 3 of 3x is equal to 20 over 4, which is 5. Okay, so that's what I would do first, is isolate the log expression. Once you isolate that log expression, what you can then do is you can rewrite your log in its exponential form. And so what that means is, if you remember from the earlier parts of this chapter, when you rewrite a log in exponential form, you take the base of the log, that becomes the base of your exponent, to the power of whatever your whole log expression is set equal to. So 3 to the 5th is equal to, and then that's set equal to whatever's inside your log. So this right here would be the way to rewrite this in its exponential form. And then the final step for this is to simply solve the resulting equation. Okay, so here we can divide both sides by 3 to isolate our x. 3 to the 5th divided by 3 to the 1st. You can apply properties of exponents here as well. When you divide two exponents with the same base, what do you do with their powers? Subtract. So 5 minus 1 is 4. So you get x is equal to 3 to the 4th. And if you evaluate that, you get an 81. So the other way to solve this is by using your TI-89, in which case you do the exact same thing. You enter it exactly as it appears. And now, here's the case, or here's the situation, depending on what kind of calculator you're using. If you have the updated operating system, the way that you can enter this original equation is we can use the solve feature. We can enter 4 times the log. And what you need to do is you need to enter it the log form. The log form of your calculator is log, parentheses, whatever's inside your log comes first, so 3x, and then comma, whatever the base of your log is comes second. So this right here, log of parentheses 3x comma 3, is how you would express log base 3 of 3x. And then you can set that equal to 20 comma x. So this right here would allow you to get the answer straight from your calculator. You'd enter solve, then 4, type in the word log, and then in parentheses put the expression inside your log first, comma, the base of your log, which is 3, set it equal to, in this case 20 up here, comma x, and close off the parentheses. And when you hit enter for this, you would get your answer 81.